Hi guys, so I got this Breville Blend Active Personal Blender a few days ago. At the time that I ordered this blender from Amazon, there was no reviews on the YouTube, so I thought I'd record one for you. So this is the box. Inside the box we have its user manual and these contents. So these are two of these jars that also works as a shaker if you put these top on it, two of these heads, and this guy that does the blending job, and the blender itself. Not a major problem, but just to bear in mind, it does not have a earth wire. So just to show you, this one is for our toaster and it actually has a real earth wire. The cool thing about these personal blenders is that the jar itself works as a shaker as well. So you don't need to pour it from a separate jar into a shaker or glass or something, which is really cool in my opinion. So I'm gonna make my everyday smoothie with it so you can see how it performs. After a few days of use, I believe this is a pretty decent product and it's a powerful blender. Before getting this blender, I used to make my smoothies in a chopper, and because it's made for chopping ingredients, if you're making a smoothie in it, your smoothie would be coarser and the ingredients would be coarser. But this blender actually does a pretty good job in blending the ingredients. Overall, I recommend it for £22. It's a pretty decent and powerful blender. And also you can find the link of this product in the comment section. I cannot put links in the description yet because my channel is kind of new and YouTube kind of don't let me put the links in the description, so it's in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more videos, and see you in the next video.